Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to make perspective grid. So to create for the perspective grid, you can create for the new layer, go to the layer menu, click new layer and choose the 3D layer. Now you can click the mouse, hold to create the perspective grid like this as example. And then you can click these icons to active in all options like in Y, Z axis to show. And to draw, you can create the new layer. And after it, I will create with these pen tools. So you can create the 3D object by using these pen tools. Okay, if you done, you can hide this 3D layer to show the main object. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to make perspective grid.